I am booked, I am busy, I'm in demand, I'm doing everything according to the plan. I trust myself to the universe, I'm putting myself, I'm a dream first. I am booked, I am busy, I'm in demand, I'm doing everything according to the plan. I trust myself to the universe, I'm putting myself, I'm a dream first. I am booked, I am busy, I'm in demand, I'm doing everything according to the plan. I trust myself, trust the universe, I'm putting myself, I'm a dream first. And welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, hi, my name is Christina. I am the CEO of Be Simple, and if you're a returning subscriber, hello, welcome back. So in today's video, we are going to be, you've probably seen the title anyway, we are going to be unboxing my packages that I ordered from Noissue. Now this video is not sponsored. I use my own money to pay for this and everything, but basically we are going to go through each item I ordered and see the quality, see how it turned out. This is custom made products, mate. Custom made products from my brand, and it's just insane. But if you guys don't know about Noissue, like I'll put their link down below and everything so you can check them out. But basically they're a sustainable custom printing brand where basically you can get custom made tissue paper, stickers, stamps, boxes, mailer bags and everything, and they're very transparent on their website regarding on how they source their materials and where they're located and everything. They are located throughout the whole world, and they've got different suppliers and manufacturers throughout the world and everything like that. One thing I do like about their brand is the fact that all their materials, all their products that they sell is either compostable, recyclable or reusable, and we are trying to be as environmentally conscious here in this brand as possible. So that's why I've decided to go with them regarding my custom packaging and everything. Also, their prices is not too expensive, which is great, so that's why I thought I'll try them out and everything. Like it's got they've got low quantity for decent prices, so I thought I'd try them out, see how I get on, and if I like them, maybe I'll stick with them. If not, then I'll look for somewhere else. If you've tried Noissue, tried their products and everything, let me know in the comments about what you think about their products. Like, do you love it, do you not love it? Like, let me know your opinion and everything. But other than that, I'm gonna stop rambling and we're gonna get into the video. So you guys are lucky. You guys are gonna get my first initial reaction to all of this. So I'm gonna start with the smallest one and work my way to the biggest one. So this one is the smallest one. This one is the smallest one. It's got, I can feel like there's 2 products in it. I think I ordered 4 products in total, and I'm gonna show you guys. I already opened it, but I actually haven't looked inside yet. So yeah, let's get started. So the first one comes in this box. Look at it. So let's see. So this one is one of my stamps I've ordered. So basically, I will show you guys like what the stamps look like and what they do and everything. You get a card saying meet your Noissue stamp, and then it just tells you information. Then it's to join the eco packaging alliance and everything like that. It tells you information of that. But basically, so this one is a what's it? It's not automatic one, but it's kind of like just one where you just press down, and basically this is what the stamp looks like. Well, it should look like and everything. And basically it says be checked. Now the reason why I got this is because what I want to do is when I print out the packing slips for your orders and everything, for me, well, not even for me, for you to know that your order has been checked and that you should have the correct item, is I'm going to be stamping this. This is going to confirm that I've checked your products and that you should have the correct items in your packaging. So this is what this is. If you've got this on your packing slip, it means that it's been checked. If you haven't, then it means that it probably hasn't been checked. So that's why I thought I would buy this. Now this is something you don't really need. I just chose to do it because at the end of the day I'm trying to make, I guess, my customer's journey, so your journey in ordering from me, like your experience ordering from me, receiving products from me, different to everyone else's. So sometimes it's all about the little details. So my little detail that I wanted to add to make it different from everyone else is by doing this. So this is an investment at the end of the day. So yeah, but yeah, so this is the, ooh, let's not break it. So this is the stamp, the first stamp that I ordered and everything. And then I'm pretty sure this is the second one then. Yeah, so this is the second stamp. So this one's the manual stamp that I ordered, and basically it should be of my logo, which it is. Oh my gosh, that's insane. That is insane. This is crazy, you know. This is crazy. Like, what? This is, oh my days, I can't. I'm gonna try and put it back because also I need to film a TikTok and everything like that. So because like it's about this size. I can't remember. I think I got the biggest size you can get, and then you screw this on, and then of course you stamp it, and it says no issues. And then also it comes with an ink pad. So, and the ink pad, the ink is made from soy ink. So, come on. Yeah, soy ink and everything. So it looks like this. And it's quite a big one so that, you know, actually fits, because it would be a bit pointless if it didn't. So, yeah. So that's the ink pad. Oh my gosh, this is, oh, it's so real. Like, I don't know. This is just so weird, like the fact that I'm slowly branding my packaging and everything like that, like, oh! And the second one is this one, which looks like that. Let's open this. I think these are my tapes. Yep, they're my tapes. They're my tapes. So they're in a box like this. So you get, the smallest quantity you can buy is 5. To be honest, the price-wise was quite decent. It wasn't too bad or anything. And of course it tells you a little bit of how to use it, like, and everything like that. There's different ways that you can use it, like different, you can either do it manually by hand, down there, manually by hand, or you can use equipment to wet it. And these are water activated tapes, and they're eco-friendly, compostable and all that stuff. One thing I do like, it comes with a free sponge straight away. I don't need to buy it as an extra thing, which is quite cool. But yeah, let's open one of these up, shall we? Ooh. So they do different sizes. I think I got the small size. Next time I might get a big size, I don't know, I'll just see. Oh my gosh, this is insane. So this is my packaging tape. I don't know if it's coming through the camera properly, but this is the packaging tape. Like, I designed this and everything and then added it to it basically. But that's insane. Bruh. And the thing is, you can choose if you want to go for craft or if you want to go for white, but I chose craft to try and stay as, you know, eco-friendly as possible. But this is me. Where? Look at that. I can't believe it. I'm planning to get a tape dispenser kind of thing, probably like this one, and then later on I'll eventually get an automatic one. But yeah, that's gonna we'll see how it goes, because at the moment it's not really a necessity basically that I need. I could just do it by hand and everything and then just go from there, but we'll see and everything. The last thing I got is the tissue paper. Now, there was a lot of back and forward with the tissue paper just because of the quality, trying to make sure like it looks decent and everything like that. So the tissue paper did take a while to approve compared to everything else. But let's see how they turned out. Ooh, I'm a bit nervous. I'll show you it. Yeah, so it looks like that. You can kind of see my tissue paper coming through a little bit. Yeah, so you get these. It's not just the Eco Alliance map thing information, I think printed on one of their tissue paper. That's what it feels like, but that's quite cool. You get a sample of one of their mailer bags, which I think is pretty cool because now I can actually see the size and everything like that, the quality and everything. And then you also get some stickers, which also I think these are like sample stickers, but so that you know, if you wanted to get stickers from them, you can, and everything like that. And then you also get a little thank you card, just saying thank you and with some information and stuff like that. So I think that's pretty cool. But at the end of the day, we're not here to look at those. We are here to look at my customized tissue paper. So let's actually get into that. I'm so freaking scared because like we went back and forth a lot with this, and I was just like, oh, I hope it turns out the way I want it to turn out. What happens if it doesn't? So at the moment with Noissues, you can only choose up to 2 colors for your tissue paper. Now, if you want multiple colors, you have to order a minimum of 5,000 tissue paper, which I am not there yet. So that's why I did not do that. I was just like, let's just stick to 1 color, and then when I do like not a rebranding, but like a revamp kind of thing, I'll probably get that and then go from there. So let's get this tissue paper out. Oh my gosh! Ah! Oh my gosh! So this is what the tissue paper looks like. I don't know if it's coming through. So it's kind of like, it's white. It's on a white background basically, but the design is like a dark green. So this is what it looks like. I'll just put it so far. And I went for the smallest one because I felt like I didn't really need to get the big one, to be honest. I feel like with the items that I've got, the small one should be fine. To be honest, I'll probably actually even cut it down on some of them because I feel like, to be honest, I might not even need it that big and everything. I might end up doing it that way, but yeah, because I'll say this is probably like a A3 size, but they do bigger sizes as well. But this is crazy. So basically this pattern is the pattern on my shipping tape as well. So they're both got the same pattern, but my shipping tape, because on the shipping tape you can actually put the like if your design has got multiple colors, you can actually put that on the shipping tape, but on the tissue paper you can't. You have to order over 5,000 items for it. So yeah, but it's fine. But I tried to keep the design the same, so that's what it is. The design is the same design. It's just this is all 1 color, and on my tape is multiple colors, which I like, to be honest, because it was either between this dark color or light one. But I thought, let me try the dark one first. If I don't like it, then I'll go with the light one next time. But yeah, so this is the tissue paper. This is insane. Like, it's crazy. Like, this feels real now. Like, you know, like it always felt real, but now it's like slowly feeling even more real kind of a thing. And I'm just like, so yeah, but that's pretty much all the packaging that I got from Noissues. I also ordered some stickers, which I want to add to orders as a freebie to say thank you for ordering from me. Now these ones I ordered from sticker app. Now with these stickers, I'm happy the way they turn. Like, I'm not complaining or anything. The thing is, yeah, like I struggled to find die cut stickers that were eco-friendly, basically, but that still had the good quality eco-friendly die cut stickers. So I just decided for this time around I'll just get these normal high gloss stickers, but then because hopefully I should be getting a cricket for Christmas, fingers crossed, and if I do, I'll be making my own stickers, and then I'll just get my own materials and everything like that. But I'll show you the stickers I got, because I got two different stickers and everything that I'll be adding to the orders. And this is the first one, which is basically a girl with an afro hair. However, her afro is made out of flowers because, you know, products. It's because I'm releasing with hair products, and at the end of the day we want to be as environmentally as possible, so that's why I've gone with that. And then I designed this myself, like literally everything myself. I don't know if it's coming through correctly. And yeah, so basically this is one of the stickers that you'll be getting if you order from me. And then the other one, my logo for my business logo. So that's the sticker, and it's really good quality, not gonna lie. Like, the pictures came out perfectly. You can see every single detail. I like the way it came out, especially on this one and everything like that. So yeah, I love it. But like I said, at the moment I would just stick with this. Once these run out, hopefully I should be able to make my own. If not, I need to look in finding a more sustainable version of these stickers so that I can, you know, at the end of the day, we're trying to be as sustainable as possible. We're not perfect, but we're trying to be as sustainable as possible, so that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, I got also these, but other than that, that is pretty much it for this video, to be honest. The next plan is getting labels for my actual product. Once I've got those labels for my product, I'm planning to do a product photo shoot and a little mini product commercial so that I can get those uploaded, because I finally decided on when I want to launch, and I want to basically let you guys know that with a little mini commercial or little mini ad kind of a thing. So yeah, so that's the next thing I need to do. Once I've done that, then I'm gonna get started on working on my website. Also, I've already started promoting it on the other platforms, TikTok and Instagram. So if you don't follow me on there, make sure you check down below. I will have all the links to my social media on there and everything. But other than that, that is pretty much it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you are notified every single time I post. And I shall see you in my next video. Bye.